Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel. Got a quick video for you today, guys. We're gonna do a full comparison of the Alpharex Nova series headlights on the light output. Yes, the DRL is out and it's unfortunate, but we got Alpharex sending out another one. So in the meantime, we're gonna show you what the actual light output looks like on the Nova series before we get the Pro series. So we're gonna do that right now. But before we do that, if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Professor Mike. I post new videos, anything automotive, truck related, car related, anything like that, every Wednesday and Sunday at 8 p.m. And also, if you guys are wondering what I've done to the trunk, I have a link in the description of every single thing I've done. And these are Amazon affiliate links, so if you do buy something off my link, I get a small commission and it actually helps out and supports the channel. So, other than that, let's jump right into it. I'm waiting for it to get dark outside, and then I'm going to show you the light output, and we're going to do a comparison with the lights and the fog lights and the brights and all that, so you can really get a good tell of if these lights are, worth the money, or just getting LEDs for your stock housings better, or we're going to compare them to the Pro Series when I get those, so we're going to do all that. So, let's get right into it. All right, so fast forward to the nighttime. These are the headlights with just the headlights on, no fog lights. As you can see, it's very bright and the cutoff is a little low, which is not quite sure why it's so low. You'd probably have to adjust the headlights up just a little bit to get them up here. But looking here into the headlight, we have both beams on this side, and then on this side, there is no DRL going on this side, so it's just these two here and then these two right here. But as you can see, the light output is really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fog lights. So let's turn the fog lights on to see how that's looking. So fog lights going on, 3, 2, 1, bam. Now we got the fogs on. So now you got the whole ground lit up. Then you got the whole in front of you lit up. I mean, this goes way out here, way out there. So this is how it looks now, and if you stand in front of it, it can blind you, but that looks so cool, just like that. I wish that DRL looked, because this looks so cool just like that. I wish the DRL actually lit up like on this side, but we got the new ones in, so not a problem. I'll go ahead and take those out. But so that's what the fog lights sound. Now let's turn the brights on to really get a good accurate representation. So 3, 2, 1 brights, and bam. Wow. I mean, that is so the fog lights actually turn off when you put the brights on. So let's see what that looks like from here. I mean, man, this is like those police videos where they have like the insane flashlights. Now here's the fog. So now you see the bottom two light up and the top two, and then also over here, bottom two and the top two. So all right, so let's turn the brights off real quick. So brights off, and then brights on. Brights off. So the cutoff is really low on these headlights, as you can see. And these are the Nova series headlights. So here's the Nova series with the fog lights. When I get the Pro series in, we're going to do another comparison of what it actually looks like. But it is way brighter than the halogen headlights were ever. So that's why I just wanted to make this video to show you, you can actually go under the car or under the truck and get through under the wheel well and raise the you can elevate the bulbs to get a little higher output. But actually see that cutoff is really gnarly. And I think it needs to be a little bit higher, but I don't want it to be too high, because then you're going to be blinding people while you're driving. So I don't know, it may be good. Maybe since the truck is more raked in the front, it's slanting down, but when I get it lifted, it's going to be like leveled out. So, and let's turn the fog lights. I mean, the fog lights do a huge difference. So 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. Look at that. I mean, the fog lights are just as bright as the headlights, but just on the ground. So as soon as you turn the brights on, the fog lights turn off. See that? And then they turn back on. So let's do a comparison of just the fog lights and just the DRLs. Obviously this one's not working, but if you just have the DRLs on, I mean, the DRLs themselves is probably the amount of light output that my halogen headlights had combined. Like this DRL right here
is so bright when I stand in front of it that it actually is more potent than the halogen headlights that I had before, just the DRL. And the fog lights are really, really bright as well. So as you can see, I mean, this, yeah, we'll not talk about that. But I mean, even right here with just one DRL on and 2 fog lights, it looks, I mean, it's lighting up the road. So let me just turn it on one more time just so you can get a look. So from off to on. One more time, off to on. So the light output on the Nova series is really, really spectacular. I just wish that the DRL worked, but it doesn't. So we got the new headlights that are in. But if I stand right here, you can literally blind yourself. So, but that is it right there, guys. If you have any questions on these headlights, fog lights, the grill lights, anything like that, leave a comment down below. I reply to pretty much everybody that I can, and the channel has been growing dramatically. If you have any questions on these headlights, fog lights, anything I've done to the truck, link in the description. You can click on the link. It'll take you right to the exact parts that I bought. And other than that, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. All right, so this is gonna be me driving real quick so you can see how it looks. I'm just gonna back in, and it really lights up, and you can see how it looks while driving. So it lights up a lot. I love how it lights the signs up and really illuminates the signs, like the stop signs or the speed limit signs. So that's it right there.